That's another topic I want to talk about. Sean Storm on Foota hype. You see me I say? That is a crazy situation. Yeah, because of the whole apparently Vybz Kartel bought a whole apparently Vybz Kartel bought a car for Sean Sam, a BMW, but Foota chime in and say, yo, oh, you shall buy Sean Sam a better car than that. Which some can agree, some can disagree, but you know, Sean Sam I'm grateful, I'll be grateful. This is me I say, because I don't have to. But somebody lock up with you for much years, where hold held you down, shit. I can see where Foota try come from. You see me I say. But then again, Chantam do have his own money. I don't know. As it might as be as enough as Cartel. But hey, this is what basically happened. You see me I say? So Foota shares his views on Chanstam's new car. You see me? By the tropics. So
Sam, boy, we feel this one selling. Come here, the mother talking truth. Sam, you see that car we can't tell by you? Kartel Content Spring Road at PHA Motors from a power. The money engines are making better and you are better car. Getting an X5, X6 and X7. Yeah!
Jaja. Jaja, so that got basically, you see me I say. If that just drive feel funny, but you know, Sean Sam and Carter probably take it as this is.
Cartel and Shawn vex. The truth and the truth. Me don't like the blood clan car. She Sean Sam, you know. Sean Sam, you lean up over the corner. In Mexico, but in Nassau. Sean Sam, me never talk to you. We don't want a blood clan car here. We don't care about that car, they go parking. Cartel begin to go down to the college shop. Can the big government that you get? Which kind of resume can tell you that? That car will know why you with the blood clan your teacher. That's the one thing.
Turn up the dark thing.
Come there and charge the most insurance now. Be in the shoes. Let them get off the shots now.
Ja. So this is the vibe video.
Peter, we don't have real money. My shots have a real car.
That's crazy. You see me? So apparently that went around, got to Sean Sam, got to the teacher. You see me and say so. And the guy, look, I guess he's starting to look away now to Foota. So he tried.
Me no want nobody I come attack me. But when me say about Sean Storm and the car, when me say me mean it, and me not take back what me did say. That car there, we have to big up say Sean Storm get a car. Do you? But that car there, brother, no make no sense. You're too big for that car there, you're too tall for that car there. That brother, better the man. Alright. If the car there 2024 or 2023, better let me take a 2020 car then. Take a 2020 X5 then, or a 2019 X5, or a X6 or something, man. Dog, Sean Storm a artist, bro. Sean Storm a star. When you talk about, the man fi look like star, Sean Storm fi get a house too. And we not talk about house where somebody just give for living. Sean Storm fi get a house with him name pan the title. Free for tech. So really, me don't want nobody I come attack and mash up him and Kartel stay friends forever. It no matter theme us that. You see me? Can't give the man X0, brethren.
Gotcha.
It's crazy.
All the man can X0 Foota on the
and I fastest that ready. And what I'm telling you, the man can have an X5 or an X6 or an X7. Or when dog, him could even buy Sean Storm when I E300 Benz them. And it would have worked better. Me understand me I say? Yeah. Cause big man think me ear say a Cartel buy the bima. Me say a Joe buy. Up I be my place beside AC Hotel. Me just a telling no people. Me don't know if I true. But that my sources them tell me. Say I chew buy that car there. I know Kartel. So, you see me I say? Me just a talk the truth. If Kartel want to hate me, I feel in business. But the truth are the truth. And me not like how I move with Shawn Storm like that. Personally, me no feel say Shawn Storm and Kartel good. I feel like them I put the best out now. And I fastest that ready.
Give the main character exactly what
But
they want
them,
this holiday.
it no look like them good.
It gifts for it people.
Me just a talk my
It
mind. Who want
prices.
hate me cure blood clots here. He no look like him and Shawn Storm good. Me, to how him a move with Shawn Storm, me not think him and Shawn good. Me I watch them from them come from jail. Me notice him fly out go much island. Shawn not gone nowhere with him. And Shawn have passport too. But them, it no look like them good. Me just a talk my mind. Who want hate me cure blood clots here. He no look like him and Shawn Storm good. Me, to how him a move with Shawn Storm, me not think him and Shawn good. Me I watch them from them come from jail. Me notice him fly out go much island. Shawn not gone nowhere with him. And Shawn have passport too. But them, it no look like them good.
Ed. And Shawn Storm.
I ain't gonna lie though, yeah. Yeah, I seen him fly out. But I'm pretty sure Shawn Storm in the background, cause a lot of the Mad Sus was there. So I'm pretty sure Shawn did it. You see me I say, but yeah, I can see where Foota kinda say, yo, dog, this will be something better than that. This is what you do, but you don't know dog them know the dog they know how to them things said. You see me I say? So at least it have something for show appreciation.
Oh, yeah,
But let me say, yo, Foota say dog give dog a X0 dog. Foota no easy, no.
Oh, and Shawn Storm, I hear that. You got more active money, isn't it?
Go on now.
Just say things that lost him at.
Dog, shall I give you dog something?
Bully. Yeah,
Special, yeah. Come in.
tough enough.
But yeah, gang, what do you think? One thing about the one gang. We're not dealing. What do you think, dog? If it was you, do you think Shawn Storm did something better than that? Or you think Foota just over exaggerating? You see me answer and I be bad man. Let me know in the comment section. But yeah, big up Vybz Kartel, big up Foota, big up Shawn Storm, big up Mad Sus, big up all of them. You see me answer, man, them a little live life. At least Kartel show dog appreciation. Yeah, dog can get some better, you know, cause dog give dog a house, all that good stuff. You see me answer, but I just saw things said. You see me answer? One moment, gang. Give me a second. Alright. Sorry about that, gang. Your boy back. Yeah, man. So yeah. That's what I was doing. But yeah, man, we're gonna get into. Yeah, but yeah, man, again. But you know, no fight topic them. I want to check out some interview with you guys. As me and say, apparently, like I was say, yeah. Let's be honest. I don't know Jeffrey. They was talking about some topic. 41 boss said they was